How crucial is unity, respect, and fairness in a business environment? And what could a 13th century Mongolian warlord possibly teach us about modern corporate strategy? Consider Genghis Khan, a name synonymous with power and conquest. His empire spanned across vast Asian territories, a feat achieved not by brute force alone, but also through a cunning strategy of exploiting divisions and fostering separations among his enemies. This divide and conquer approach, while seemingly antithetical to our notions of unity and cohesion, has found a place in today's corporate world. In the modern corporate landscape, Khan's strategy translates into the decentralization of authority. By empowering divisions to specialize and operate semi-autonomously, corporations can foster innovation and efficiency without the hindrance of bureaucratic hurdles. This system of decentralization, much like Khan's decentralized empire, allows for flexibility, adaptability, and swift responses to changing conditions. Yet as much as a company can learn from Genghis Khan's divide and conquer strategy, the importance of unity, respect, and fairness within the organization cannot be overstated. These values are the pillars that support a strong, sustainable business. A culture of unity, respect, and fairness yields a positive work environment where employees feel appreciated and valued. This leads to enhanced morale, motivation, and job satisfaction, which in turn results in higher levels of employee engagement and retention. Unity also paves the way for effective collaboration. When individuals respect and trust one another, they are more likely to communicate openly, share ideas, and leverage each other's strengths. This synergy fuels productivity and innovation. In a fair and respectful environment, employees are empowered to voice their concerns and provide feedback. This openness fosters a constructive dialogue and enables the company to address challenges effectively, creating solutions that benefit all involved. Respect for diverse perspectives enriches decision-making processes. Leaders who consider various viewpoints gain a comprehensive understanding of complex issues, leading to thoughtful, inclusive decisions. Fairness in policies and practices builds trust and loyalty among staff members, fostering stronger relationships between management and employees and minimizing conflicts. A company known for its commitment to unity, respect, and fairness not only attracts top talent, but also builds a positive reputation among stakeholders. It garners trust and support, internally and externally. Lastly, a unified workforce that respects one another can better navigate change and adversity. This resilience and adaptability enable the company to remain competitive in the face of uncertainty. In summary, while Genghis Khan's divide and conquer strategy offers valuable lessons for modern corporations, it is unity, respect, and fairness that ultimately drive a company's long-term success. These values foster a positive work culture, effective collaboration, enhanced problem-solving, improved decision-making, stronger employee relations, a positive reputation, and resilience. They are the bedrock upon which sustainable businesses are built.